Hi, this is Radhika, Senior Education Counselor and Business Development Manager in ICCC. Today I'm going to talk about Bharati Vidyapeeth University Medical College in Pune, about PG cutoff for 2020 in MCC counseling for round 1, round 2 and mop-up round. Let us see about Information Cum Career Counseling Center. Our company is a Bangalore-based registered company. We have a head office in Bangalore and regional office in Hyderabad and West Bengal. Our website is www.i3c.tech. To know more about PG Medical College, you can always browse our website. It's www.medicalneedpg.com, where you can search the college, get fee structure and more. Let us see the fee structure for PG 2020 in Bharati Vidyapeeth University Medical College, Pune. For MD in Radio Diagnosis and MD in Dermatology, it's 35 lakhs per annum. For MD in Pediatrics, MS in Orthopedics and MS OBG and MS General Medicine, it's 29 lakhs 40,000 per annum. Coming to MD in Psychiatry, MD in Anesthesia, MS in ENT, MS in General Surgery, MS in Ophthalmology, MD Emergency Medicine, MD Pulmonary Medicine, it is 26 lakhs 50,000. So coming to MD in Pathology, it's 15 lakhs 50,000. MD in Anatomy, MD in Physiology, MD in Biochemistry, it's 7 lakhs 50,000. And coming to MD in Microbiology, MD in Community Medicine, MD in Pharmacology, it's 7 lakhs 50,000 per annum. Let us see the first round cutoff in MCC counseling for Bharati Vidyapeeth Medical University College, Pune. Come, let us see one by one. For MD in Dermatology, the first round cutoff has gone up to 12,730. For MD in Anesthesiology, it's 61,440 All India rank. For MD in General Medicine, it's 22,334. For MD in Pediatrics, it's 26,100 All India rank. For MD in OBG, it's 26,133 All India rank. Wherein coming to MS General Surgery, it's 30,982 All India rank. Coming to the second round cutoff in MCC counseling for Bharati Vidyapeeth University Medical College, Pune. For MD in Anesthesiology, the cutoff is reached up to 69,036 All India ranking. Wherein for MD in General Medicine, it's 22,254. MD in Pediatrics, it's 26,858 All India rank. Wherein for MD in OBG, the cutoff has gone up to 26,015 All India rank. And coming to MD in Radiology, it's 15,919. And MS in General Surgery, it's 34,300 All India rank. Now let us see the mop-up round cutoff in MCC counseling for Bharatiya Vidyapeeth University Medical College, Pune. Coming for MD in Dermatology, the cutoff is reached up to 6,984 All India rank. MD in Anesthesia, it's 72,125 All India rank. For MD in General Medicine, it's 10,363, wherein for MD in Pediatrics, it's 27,095 All India rank. For MD in OBG, there is no seats allotted as all the seats were reported in the second round. And coming to MD in Radiology, it's 9,237. And for MS in General Surgery, there is no seats allotted where all the seats were reported in the second round. Let me explain the statistical analysis for Bharatiya Vidyapeeth University Medical College, Pune in MCC counseling for round 1, round 2, mop-up round. Come, let us go one by one subject. Let me talk about MD in DVT. If you see in the first round, the seat is allotted for 12,730 All India rank. There is a vacant seat in mop-up round and the cutoff is 6,984 All India rank with a fee of 35 lakhs per annum. Next, coming to MD in Anesthesia, the cutoff has gone up to 72,000 rank, All India rank with 14 seats allotted with a fee of 26 lakhs 50,000 per annum. Since the seats are more, the cutoff goes high. And for coming to MD in General Medicine, the cutoff is reached up to 22,000 All India rank with a 14 seats allotted with a fee of 29 lakhs 40,000 per annum. Next, coming to MD in Radiology, the cutoff has gone up to 18,180 All India rank with 8 seats allotted with a fee of 35 lakhs per annum. And MS in OBG, the cutoff is reached up to 26,000 All India rank with 6 seats allotted with 29 lakh 40,000 per annum. When coming to Bharatiya Vidyapeeth University Medical College, wherein MD in DVD and MD in Radiology is in high demand with a fee structure of 35 lakhs per annum compared to other college. As a senior education counselor, my conclusions for Bharati Vidyapith University Medical College Pune in MCC counseling for round 1, round 2 and mop-up round. Come, let us see one by one subject. Coming to MD DBD, in the first round, the cutoff has gone up to 12,730 All India rank. And second round, there is no seats allotted, and in mop-up round, the cutoff has gone down to 5,729 rank. That is 6,984 All India rank. So like coming to MD Pediatric, the first round cutoff is 26,100 All India rank, and in second round the cutoff has gone up to 758 rank, that is 26,858 rank All India rank. And mop-up round the cutoff is again gone up to 237 rank, that is 27,095 All India rank. Next, coming to MD in Radiology, the first round the cutoff is 18,180 All India rank, and in the second round the cutoff has gone down to 2,261 ranks, that is 15,990 All India rank. Around in mop-up round, again the cutoff has gone down to 6,682 ranks, that is 9,237 All India rank. And coming to MD in OBG, the first round cutoff is 26,133 All India rank. In the second round, the cutoff has gone down to 118 ranks, that is 26,015 All India rank. And in the mop-up round, there are no seats allotted, as all the seats were reported in the second round. Now coming to the package, the service charge for NEET PG counseling and guidance in Information Cum Career Counseling Center, we charge rupees 25,000, which includes application notification updates, SMS alerts for all state, step-wise application filling guidance for Karnataka, Pondicherry, Punjab, Rajasthan, West Bengal, Tamil Nadu, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, NRI or general fees updates, SMS alert, cut-off marks alerts, guidance for NRI documents for MCC or state counseling, direct NEET PG admission for all clinical and paraclinical subjects. To get a paid service, kindly click the link below. Thank you for watching. For further details or queries, you can always call up to 8884499760 or WhatsApp 7406244111 or email to my email ID radhikanirmal.i3c.blr@gmail.com, and we are open from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m.